Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed recently. He'll share his experience.
Hi everyone, my name is Uday and I joined PySpiders Rajajinagar in December 2024 and I got placed in June 2025. And since I joined this institute, Python course handled by Vijay sir, which is very helpful for me, and he taught me very well. And also we did boot camp for Python and also manual testing handled by Gautam sir and Pradeep sir, and SQL handled by Murali sir, and Selenium and API testing handled by Lakshmi sir and Jeevan sir, which was very helpful for my placement. And also they taught me very well, and we did they make groups here, and according to those group batches we did boot camps every day, and that was very well helpful for my placement.
Congratulations and all the best.
So thank you sir.